The Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) court will now hear Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) leader Nawab Malik's bail plea on August 12. Advocate Amit Desai, representing former Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik, finished his arguments on the bail plea on Thursday. Malik was arrested earlier this year and has been behind bars for 5 months. Before closing his arguments, Desai questioned the predicate offence that had been cited against Malik for resurrecting a case under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). The Enforcement Directorate (ED) had arrested Malik in a case of money laundering, while the allegation against him is of hobnobbing with the underworld don Dawood Ibrahim's gang. And FIR registered by Mia against Dawood along with a few others were merged to show the predicate offence against Malik. Arrested in Mumbai on Thursday, Desai argued, "The interesting thing is that the entire FIR does not talk about the period of the offence, but there is a reference to the 2003 resolution against the D company. But there is no reference to Nawab Malik in that case. In the Iqbal Mirchi, Dawood's henchman case, there is no mention of Nawab Malik." Desai argued at length about the latest PMLA judgment delivered by the Supreme Court and said the judgment is new and the facts have to be fleshed out in the light of what happened in the last 5 months. But the gentleman, Malik, should not have been arrested in the first place. He added, "The Supreme Court judgment is not a walkover for the department, Ed. They have to think a lot about this. But it is for the judges to bring in the filtering. When we go to trial, many of these matters will not stand trial. It is a worrying situation. I have seen those days when the courts have stood up and said we are going to do it." Desai went on to argue, the Supreme Court is troubled by the fact that trial courts are not granting bail. The country, including the government, is concerned about how under trials are clogging the system. 40% of cases before the Supreme Court are regarding bail, which should have been dealt with by the trial court. There is a need for balancing, and I have seen more imbalance in recent days than balance. Before finishing, Desai also spoke about the illegal health of Malik, who needs an operation performed on his kidney, and the hospital where he is being taken care of right now does not have the facility. The bail hearing has been adjourned to August 12, when Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh, representing ED, will be arguing against the bail being granted.